Hello YouTube, this is Coolguy291 again. I'd like to say I am at this beautiful, awesome Corvette car show in Guilford, Connecticut with my cousin Kim. Say hi, Kim. And I'm actually looking at a lot of nice brand new Corvettes over there. A couple Camaros, a couple Silverados, a couple awesome couple of cars over here. I'm going to show you this awesome old classic Corvette here too. Classic Corvette here. That is one nice looking Corvette right there. Awesome old Corvette. Beautiful Corvette. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Ooh, that's a nice. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on. Corvette.
Hi.
Good, how about you? Awesome old 50s, early 60s Corvette. That is nice. Well, Corvette over there. Corvette wins. Corvette's awesome. Wow. Corvette. Oh my god. Excuse me. Sorry. Corvette. I think it's nice. Corvette. Awesome Corvette. Oh man, all over the place. You can tell everybody this is awesome. Big gathering of Corvettes here too. And a lot of nice Corvettes. Excuse me. Alright, awesome Corvette. Oh wow, all over the place. Corvette. This is hosted by Moroso Auto Parts, also Corvette Club too. There's an awesome line of Corvettes over there, two big blocks. Huh? What? Huh. Corvette. Red Corvette. Now that's a nice Corvette over there. Black Corvette. Nice. Corvette. That's a nice Corvette. Looking at more Corvettes over here. Wow, a lot of nice little Corvettes.
Hey, don't forget, folks, the Moroso Tour. It's happening again in case you missed the two early ones. They have another one coming up at 1 o'clock. Just about a half an hour from now. The way you get on the tour is you head over to the right side of the Moroso building. There's a Good Humor truck.
Corvettes.
There's a registration area.
Awesome Corvettes.
And be there at 1 p.m. and they're going to take you on a guided tour. They manufacture a lot of different products inside. See how the manufacturing process works. Take that Moroso tour at 1 p.m.
Corvettes. More Corvettes. Nice motor Corvette. Nice interior. Yeah, I'm recording right now. I'm a YouTuber.
There you go.
Corvettes. Corvettes. Beautiful Corvettes all over the place. Corvettes. A lot of Corvettes. Oh wow. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not much. Looking at Corvettes. Look at Corvettes all over the place. More Corvettes are all over the place. I'm gonna get some more. Huh? Did you hear this on the street? Yeah, I tour. I know. I took a tour with Moroso Rick before. It's awesome. For more, like I said, I'm going to this side now. But I didn't show you guys. I didn't show you guys on this other side of the video before. But I didn't show you this side. Beautiful Corvettes. Oh, I like that. That's unique. That's nice. Corvettes. Look at that Corvette. Look at that blower. That thing is nice. Awesome blower. Making out good like flicks in the back.
Sure.
I'm a YouTuber too. Looking at the Corvettes, all different Corvettes. Awesome 57 Corvette right there. C1 Corvette. Awesome cars. You can sell it.